My name is Michael Wahlen. I'm a project leader at Boston Consulting Group. BCG, we're a strategy consulting firm. I work out of the Boston office, but we're spread out all over the globe, and we've been helping clients kind of figuring out their strategy, figuring out how to grow. We are big fans of of NetBase Quid's company data because it gives us a lot of perspective on where industries are going. We use it sometimes to figure out industry trends, like where are venture capitalists investing, where are startups looking for opportunity, and we use it for M&A scouting. Like if you're going to make a purchase for a company, what's that list look like? How are those companies connected? A really great use case though that we're just doing a ton of right now is around ESG topics, because we use it to look at what consumers are saying about their brand. And what's huge is that it allows us to be not only this is what people are saying, but this is what people are talking about the most. So we had a recent case, the company wanted to know when it comes to values, what are people talking about with our company? And their kind of hypothesis about what was important was way different than what people were actually saying in the real world. And that allowed us to say, no, here's what the data says and here's what you've got to focus on if you want that kind of brand reputation. One of the things that we really love showing with NetBase Quid is not just okay, this is what the little tiny startups are doing, but also this is what your peers are doing. And so we can look at the investments of competitors and be yeah, here's what they're investing in, here's what they think the future looks like. Now, how does that compare to you? And it's hugely valuable. NetBase Quid is hugely valuable for giving us a view of where things are going. I personally really is the company analysis, because it tells you where venture capital is funding. And those guys have horizons of 5 years, 10, 15. And so when you see them putting money in a space and you see those amounts growing, that's something that we find really insightful and that our clients find just hugely helpful as they make strategic decisions.